Good morning everyone. Today we are going to look into a new way of creating forms. Google Gemini has come up with a new feature. If you go here to Google Forms, you will see an option called as a blank form. Once you click this blank form, you will get a pop-up from Gemini, which is on experimental mode, and you will get a specific information what do you want to create. I have already created a prompt here that I wanted to use for my specific creating a form. And I'll explain you. I have written it in text because in creating a form you have to go create questions, create the answers. It takes a lot of time. So what we have done is we have written the prompt of what we want to do. Those details have to be in your mind. Like for us, this example for AI residency, once they complete everything for the certificate, they need to write a basic Google form that is there. So this is something that we have written here, and we just click create. Once we click create, it takes this prompt, it understands what it needs to do, and it creates a very basic module that is there. So if you can see it might have taken us a lot of time to do this. It may not be that perfect, but it does the 80% of the work. Once you do create form, you just need to click insert. Now I have this AI residency completion this thing, and it has this, like I had mentioned, alumni network. It did Gemini AI. So these small things happen. You just need to make sure you read everything and you are able to do it. They have not added an image here. If you want to also add an image, you can go to customize thumbnail. You can choose this thing. You can take any photo that is relevant for your thing, or you can use AI to generate it as well. I will just do something like this, which is related to books. And that's it. You have this link, you can publish it, you can save it, you can connect it. So this is the future of using technology, how it is making our lives easy. Practice it out and share your thoughts in the comments. Have a great day and experiment it.